Hello friends, I, Dhairya Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from origin to infinity. Today I am here to make three big announcements for you. But before that, let me remind you that on last Sunday we conducted Improvement Series 1 and it is completed, and let me show you its feedbacks. Here it is. Improvement Series 1 feedbacks. The Improvement Series 1 was on linear algebra, real analysis, and complex analysis. We asked students to give the feedback on the level of the questions and the series expectation, that what did they expected from us and what did we provided to them. In the series of linear algebra, students found the question to be moderate, that is 83.3% students found questions moderate and 16.7% students found it difficult. Whereas the expectation in the linear algebra was as per expected by 66% and 33% students found it above expectation. And let me remind you, this series is given by all the students throughout the country. Almost we counted it, it was near about 100 to 150 students who gave these exams. Then on real analysis, the question and the level of the question was moderate for 60% students. 20% students found it difficult and 20% found it very difficult. But it was as per expectation in real analysis for each and every of them. That is 100% students found it as expected. Now on complex analysis, 80% students found it difficult, that the level of question was good, and 20% found it very difficult. Whereas the expectation in complex analysis was above expectation, that is, they found it very good for it. Now let me show you personal feedbacks that students give to us. Few of them, here it is. Mr. Sunilgar Gusai says it is a perfect series for practice. Ms. Sibani Satapathy says questions are as marks of CSIR NET JRF or LS. Mr. Anuj Gerald says that excellent questions and more series for more practice. And Mr. P. Ramesh says very nice paper. There are many more feedbacks, but we are just presenting few of them. And yes, now the three big announcements are over here. First one, we are releasing Improvement Series Solutions 1. That is the series that we conducted. Now we are releasing its solution, so you can even purchase the solutions now. Second, Demo Improvement Series 1. Most of the students demanded a demo improvement, a demo series. So for them, we are introducing Demo Improvement Series 1. And last but not the least, Improvement Series 2 with solutions, and this series will consist questions of real analysis, complex analysis, and abstract algebra. So let us remind you what is an improvement series for the one who are new to us. The aim of the improvement series is to provide first a qualitative question. Rather than giving quantity, we make sure that our questions have quality. Second, excellent practice for better performance. Third, not just to crack the exam but to make you comfortable with the topic. And fourth, at an affordable cost so that each and every candidate can afford it and can practice it. Secondly, the selection of questions for improvement series has to go through 5 parameters. First one, we went through the syllabus of the exam. Secondly, weightage of each topic in the competitive exam. Third, each and every topic is covered once. Fourth, designed as per the real exam pattern. And fifth, each question improves your concepts. That is the best one. And now, an overview of this video, that is, we have introduced Improvement Series Solutions 1. In that, the questions are of linear algebra, real analysis, and complex analysis. Then, Demo Improvement Series 1, this is most demanded. And the third, Improvement Series 2 on real analysis, complex analysis, and abstract algebra. And the registration link is given below in the description section. So register yourself fast. Thank you.